President William Ruto na aria mwinao thiini wa utongoria waku kana thiini wa thirikari yaku ni wega mutuike a kumenya ati utongoria kana hinya wa utongoria ni wa kahinda kanini. Uguo ni wega mwitikire gukorwo mukirahira hinya ucio na njira njega. Ici no imwe wa ciugo na iria a Kenya marathie na mbere gutungia mutongoria wa bururi muthuriti President William Ruto mena athiriti ake hamwe na thirikari yake thutha wa ndeto cia magigi gukorwo cikiyumiria ciegie mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua. Rigathi wa Gachagua gutuika ni arakorirwo agitharikirwo kanitha-ini na ngari ciake ciatuika cia guthukangio indi hitanakorwo ngikumenyithia ndeto ino makiria uria herariunga kana wone uria ciragithie na mbere. Jitikiria tu tafadhali ngwihoe na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo subscribe thiini wa channel no itu na please ndukariganirwo gukorwo kihinya kengere niguo ukamukagira mohoro kire wa mbere indi ciothe riria tokorwo tugikumenyithia maria marathie na mbere gukorwo makihanika kana ona hihi gukorwo magikunuka thiini wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Muthenya wa umuthi mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ni egucerete kanitha-ini wa PCA kuria mwena wa Mwiki kuria aragikorwo agithoma on Sunday no nginya akorwo agithie thiini wa kanitha kuona thikũ ici mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua athia kanitha ta uria ica ikuhi kiumia arathomire kanitha-ini umwe mwena wa Mwiki o kiumia kana Sundays ni aragikorwo akihakikisha ni athie kanitha umwe thiini wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Na githoma thiini wa kanitha ici mwanya ni atuikaga kana ni akoragwo akiheo rutha ni ashirika akorwo akimageithia na kuria akoragwo akiruta thirikari ya Kenya mahitia atakiri na guoya muthenya wa Sundays ni akoragwo agithoma kanitha mwanya. Kanitha wa PCA kuria Mwiki Gachagua ni aratharikirwo ni nyanake kana good riria cirokite cia kuingia kana irokire ciraingira thiini wa kanitha ucio wa PCA kuria Mwiki ciina miti kana thimbu ndungu na imwe kwa imwe ciatuika cia kuingira thiini cia huru kana cia kuhoro cikihuranga ngari cia mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua na ciatuika cia kumatharikira ciacoka kuingira cia ruta ngahiha cia guthararia cia korwo cigithararia igongona ria mitha iyo ya PCA. Gitumi kia goons icio kana nyanake gwika giko giki gitire kiramenyeka gitumi kia gwika uguo. Ningi gutire kuramenyeka no gutumite nyanake ndi thutha wa bodyguard kana agitiri a mundu ugwitwo Rigiji kana Rigathi wa Gachagua kuona uria kwagia ngahiha kukinya manjirie nginya kuhura rithathi riera-ini kana na iguru mahota kuingatithia goons icio itanakinyira mundu ugwitwo muthuriti Rigathi wa Gachagua. Andu aria mogereire gisiasa na uria mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ni atuikire wa gutharikirwo akiri kuria kanitha-ini ni manjite uthuthuria hihi niguo eguikagirio kuona thirikari ya President William Ruto ni aikorwo igituma ma spies handu hothe Rigathi wa Gachagua ari ni ati areka na arakokorirwo akiuga atia ira ana umuthi gukorwo akiuga atia. Akenya ni maikitie mihwa mwanya na nie ni ngukorwo ngiquote kana guthoma comments cia a Kenya hari ta uyu akorirwo akiugo ategwitigira akorwo akiandikwo in Justice Pizza Kuruitoka. We are in a century where places of worship are no longer respected because of how churches have reciprocated their roles due to greed of money. Na Peter Amalo akawa, if care not taken, Hague is going to be real after 2027 elections. People should practice mature politics. Let's not take the freedom we have for granted. And Amodo Weto Muinde Masika akawa, we are living in dangerous times. Which country is this? Politicians have now taken everything in their control, even the worship centers. May God protect his altar. May those involved in disrupting players be punished. May they suffer. Na Njololiot Birech Senior akauga Gachagua was disrupting his meetings to blame it on government so as to gain sympathy. And by Elsie akauga, kindly may peace and tranquility prevail in our country. Let's have a fair political field whereby those perceived as government critics are listened and respected. And Amwehoki Gayakawa Ruto is a worried man. He is trying all means to silence his opponents. And Amarik Miriam Mike people should respect worship areas and take their hooliganism elsewhere. Na Dr. Osuri Dennis akawa, this Gashieda thing should be apprehended. And our Jiro Irongo akawa, it's just immoral to attack people in their place of worship. Na Ben Daktari Aikoro Akiugo Ben Daktari akago, worship areas should be respected. People have no respect to God, but they respect fellow human beings. That's why they can take their hooliganism to State House. And Anwa Vihiga akawa, then ask yourself, in whose hand are we safe? Na modo ogweto Jackson Kibet akawa, Sarakasi Kenya, politicians have no home church. They are just roaming every other church, causing chaos. They don't have permanent church. Moi and Uhuru wasn't even seen with such chaos. We are presently witnessing this guy will not even attend one church twice on 2 consecutive Sundays. In short, they don't have stable membership in church. And Harrison Koech Gachagua should build his church, so he will be attending in his residence. And Amodogo to Rafael Akauga. So when they heck Kasongo, there is no mentioning of politicians, but when Gachagua is harassed, his Kasongo was sent them. There are pro-government people who are also fed up with Gachagua's noise. And Joan Jack Akawa heading the wrong way. This shows where there are demonic actors. They may know in our beloved country. Intercessors, this is the time to wake up, rise and weep for the nation. And a Cornelius Kitui Okoyot, why can't they go to their village church like Moi did, or they remain at home like Kibaki and Uhuru na Mary Theuri Aikoro Akiugo? Kenya was once a very peaceful country with no dramas, but today politicians have taken their fights in churches. As you continue fighting, remember there's God in heaven. And Roberto Kibe, why does Kasongo still fear someone he impeached and forgot? And Amodowe to Haruajo Hiaike Amoha Akiakoro Akiugo, revenge after Mulima became slippery. Let us respect praises of worship. God is watching. Na Jack Moayaka, the very church that was misused to put people into power, this is the very one that is being used to settle political differences. And Teddy Waswa wake amoho wake na ulia gukoro wa moiso akawa no respect for the place of worship. After all, the prison you could cause such a mess, guys. Use the church, and this is how people invite God's wrath in their lives. Wokuno kwa mwaki wa mohoro ni no gohena gitio kinene witikire ukoge subscribe thidi wa channel no ito getha ukamukagira mohoro kira wa mbere ria twaikorwo tuki-upload video mwena uyu wa YouTube na mwena uyu wa TikTok ukorwo gito follow nginya muthenya ungi ni njitikaga Mwangi wa mohoro.